So here we have a look at the mystery machine, which looks pretty empty. There's no drivers in here. It's a pretty beefy looking mystery machine at that. But what kind of cargo does it have? Well, I'm going to show you in a second. It is full of Cereal Squad toys. Oh yes, and from what appears to it, a whole boatload of them. So let us start by taking out different Cereal Squad members, and we shall rank them by type. So this is going to be a lot, because I know I got a lot of them. And I know that there's only 6 of them. So I'm going to move that one over there and this one over here. Got another Trix. Got another Leprechaun. Got a Count Chocula right here. A regular bee next to the other bee. More Trickster Rabbit. More bees. And here's a Halloween one over here. Alright. Here's another Count Chocula. And here's a mummy. And another Count Chocula. And even another Count Chocula. When I was trying to find the gold one, I spent a lot of time and effort. So my phone is telling me that I have 15% left. So I'm going to speed this up. And all of these, there's still a few left, are up for grabs. Let's just start to place these. Ah, yes, the Cinemojis. Let's put them up here. All right. There we go. More Cinemojis up here. Luckily, I am not running out of space. All right. More of that. And more Cinemojis up there. And even more Cinemojis. It's probably the one that I have the most of. Besides Count Chocula. Yeah, look at that army over there. And to think, all of that was in here. So, yeah, let's go through here. Many Count Choculas. These are all my extras. All my extras. And I'm just going to have to look at my collection of the most recent version of the Cereal Squad to see where do those stand. But yes, these are my extras. They are the ones that I have. And if someone out there is interested in 1 or possibly 2 or even 3, I am willing to negotiate. So yes, perhaps this video isn't the greatest, but I'm trying as best as I can. So, let's put them back in here. Alright, time to rapid fire. Put them in there so they're straight. Alright, time to fill her up. Alright, guys and clones of guys, get in there. Very nice. Fill up the mystery machine, because a mystery is afoot. And you guys are the right people to solve it. The cereal squad in the mystery machine is hanging out with their clones, and they are taking care of business. Cereal squad style. So yes, it's looking like it's going to be a tight fit because I put them in really crazy like. No real strategy, just pushing them in there. So I know that they can fit. I know that they can. It's just a matter of, will the door close? And on that part, I don't know. Okay, so. Alright, now how do I fit the last three? Well, in cases like this, you go to another compartment here. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Alright. And you have Cinemoji. One Cinemoji driving right there. Another Cinemoji hanging out as well. Hold on, if I can get it just right. For times where... There we go. Hold on. Looks like they're going out to a... Well, you know what? Let's have... However they can place. Yeah, there's two. Okay. So we got two hanging out. And for this last one... Alright, I know you guys can fit, so you can take one more. There we go. Perfect. No? Yes, no? Almost perfect. But I'll go in there patiently. If my camera was not, or phone I should say, running out of power, this mystery machine would be A-okay. So yes, until next time, I will see y'all later. Cinemoji, drive out. Beep beep.